Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from our video with Inshot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Inshot application, and for example, I'm going to remove this phone from this video. So first of all, we need to import the same video with the video we have imported before, and we can click on this BIP because we want to overlay the video. And this is the same video. I'm just going to click on it, and we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen. Okay, and put the mask to this clip or this video. Click on the mask option, and you can select the type of the mask you would like to apply to your video. And I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can resize the mask like this, and we're going to adjust the position as well, and take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. For example, I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and click on this check mark and drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. And I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Okay, like this. You can also zoom in or zoom out to make it more natural. Okay, and I think it's done, and this is the result. And I guess that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video with Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.